Function of iron in the body. Iron is required in the body for two main purposes. First, iron is needed for transporting oxygen. Oxygen is essential for the burning of fuels such as fats and carbohydrates. Let's examine this role of iron in more detail. Oxygen is absorbed from the air through the lungs and distributed across the rest of the body via the blood, and more specifically by the red blood cells. The red blood cells are responsible for the red color of the blood. In the red blood cells, oxygen is bound to a protein called hemoglobin. Like any protein, hemoglobin is composed of a chain of amino acids. What is particular about hemoglobin is that it contains a special molecule called heme. The core of the heme molecule consists of iron, which is responsible for binding oxygen. The presence of hemoglobin allows red blood cells to pick up oxygen in the lungs and release it in the tissues. The muscles also contain an oxygen-binding protein, which is called myoglobin. Myoglobin resembles hemoglobin and allows the muscles to store a small amount of oxygen. The second role of iron is in the production of energy. Energy is produced via the breakdown of fats and carbohydrates to carbon dioxide and water. This breakdown occurs in special units within the cell called mitochondria and occurs via the activity of a special set of enzymes. Several of these enzymes need iron for their functioning, either because they contain a heme group or because they contain a so-called iron-sulfur cluster. Without iron, our cells wouldn't be able to carry out their function due to a lack of energy. In short, iron is necessary to deliver oxygen to the tissues and to break down fuels such as fats and carbohydrates in cells.